Transferring music to your iPhone with iTunes can be limiting. It overwrites existing music, only handles purchased tracks, limits devices, and doesn't allow song selection. In this video, we'll explore how to transfer music without using iTunes. Let's dive in. Part 1. Best way to transfer music from computer to iPhone without iTunes. First, I recommend iOS Transfer. It's an iPhone data manager for PC or Mac, letting you freely transfer files between iPhone or iPad or iPod and your computer. Let's see how to download music from your computer to your iPhone with the help of iOS Transfer. Step 1. Launch iOS Transfer. Download and install iOS Transfer. Connect your iPhone via USB and follow the prompts to connect it. You'll then see this interface. Step 2. Choose the music files you need. File types on your iPhone are listed on the left, including music, videos, and more. Select Music and click the plus icon in the top menu. Step 3. Start to get music from computer to iPhone. Select the music files, click Open to import. Part 2. Copy music to iPhone without iTunes, but Dropbox. 1. Install Dropbox on your iPhone and PC. 2. Sign in on your PC and upload the files. 3. Open Dropbox on your iPhone and sign in. 4. Download the uploaded files to your iPhone. Part 3. Transfer music to iPhone without iTunes, but MediaMonkey. 1. Install MediaMonkey and open it. Go to File, Add or Reskin Tracks. 2. Select the music folder and click OK. 3. Connect your iPhone to the PC. 4. Click the iPhone icon to transfer the music. Part 4. Download music to iPhone from computer without iTunes, but Google Play Music. Go to music.google.com, install Google Music Manager, and sign in. Upload your music folder. Install Google Play Music on your iPhone, sign in, and download the music. Part 5. How to add music to iPhone without iTunes, but streaming. 1. Open the streaming service on your computer, sign in, and purchase music. 2. Install the services app on your iPhone. 3. Sign in and download the music to your iPhone.